it's willloss and it's day 59 of weight loss, and I'm about to walk some doggies. So let's get this cardio on the road.
Hello. Won't you come sit next to me? Or do you want to go romp the sun and have a lovely day? Oh, Amberly, do you want to grow old with me? 'Cause you're the only girl I'll ever need. Please let me be your man.
So there we go, those are the cute doggies. Also, last night I had a video chat with Lee and Miss Blonde Soprano. Two weight loss vlogger people just like me, and we're going to do a collaboration video in the future, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be fun. So I hope you had a good day. I got my cardio done. That's about it for today. Day 59, weight loss. Tomorrow's day 60. Woo! It's been a long time. It's been a long time since I rock and roll.